everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Saga. Welcome. Hey, Louis. Welcome. Welcome. All right, guys. All right. You guys should see my screen here. Now, the equity markets were slightly down, right? So the Dow, S&P, Nasdaq was slightly down. Surprisingly, the Russell was up. All right. So Russell actually has a buy signal, guys. So if you guys look here, right? So finally, all right, the Russell came in with the buy signal. All right. So it's moving up nicely. Dow, S&P, Nasdaq all have buy signals. All right. VIX is at 13. All right. VIX is at 13. Nothing has changed yet here. All the sectors, all right, are all up except for energy. Big picture, we'll go over equities this evening. Spend a little time on Forex too. But Dow, guys, big picture, we know we have a buy signal just looking to break right here, all-time highs. All right, all-time highs on the Dow. So it's just sitting here. Took a break, a breather today. All right, so just looking for it to break resistance. Um, on the Nasdaq, same thing here. Hey Solomon, welcome. All right. S&P, same thing. Look at the S&P setting up, guys, to break. Now, this is not all-time highs on the S&P. This is just resistance here. All-time highs is up here. All right. Russell, I believe the Russell got some green candles here, moving higher. All right. And the dollar. All right, we're getting some moves in the dollar. We'll take a look at some of the dollar pairs. All right, we have a white candle here, so we might get some buying, right? Early buying in the dollar, and hopefully the dollar could, if it can get it back up to this area here, that would certainly be a good move on the 240 monster scalper. Okay, but good news here, guys. The Dow is just sitting here right at the all-time highs. All right, ready to break out. We expect that should happen this week. All right, this week. Okay, let's take a look at current positions. Current positions. Uh, 1 second. Let's take a quick look at US 30. US 30 just holding. All right, that trade closed. Right on the 60-minute, that long trade closed. All right, just remember, still holding a nice buy signal on the US 30, right? Broke resistance here. We have a purple support and resistance. Expect a pullback, right? But no need to go short. All right. So just expect a bit of a pullback. Hey Betty, welcome. And then perhaps get another buy signal. Okay. So good trading. All right. Good trading with the US 30. All right. Look at the trades, guys. Right. No losing trade on the US 30. So from here, all right. Here, Lewis, welcome. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winning trades. Now, these here are not great. I mean, they're not big profitable trades. All right. But they're in profit, right? Small profit. This is a good trade here. This one here, great trade on the 60-minute. So, um, those of you trading US 30, good job. Good job, guys. Good job. All right. Okay. Current positions in Monster Scalper. And we'll take a look at the dollar. Right. Seeing a move in the dollar pairs. We'll take a look at the dollar. All right. All right. Current positions, Monster Scalper. First one, Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar. A bit of a pullback. All right. So let's take a look here. As the dollar index moves higher, all right, be careful of the inverse. So Aussie dollar, euro dollar, pound dollar, right, might get a pullback. So if anyone is in it right now, it's holding support. So support is right here, right? Holding support here. Keep an eye on it. If it breaks through that, just close the trade if anyone is in it. You might want to watch your smaller time frames also. Okay. New Zealand CAD, right? That's holding a bit of a pullback here, buy signal all the way down here. So you've got some cushion there. All right. New Zealand dollar, right? New Zealand dollar. Again, that's the inverse. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, um, pound dollar, right? Euro dollar. Keep an eye on those. So New Zealand dollar, that's holding so far. White candle here, keep an eye on that. New Zealand Swiss, all right. Close that trade. So buy signal here, red candle, breaking the support line, trend line. Everything is crossing right here. No sell signal yet, but I wouldn't wait for that. Red candle, close the trade. If you got in right about here or even here, right, you might have a small loss of some profit there. Okay, so red candles, close that trade. So NZD, all right, close that trade there. All right, we might have a bit of a rotation just coming out, right? Coming out of the rotation. Pound SGD, buy signal here. That's holding. Keep an eye on it, right? It's holding support right here, holding support for now, right? Support here, it's holding. We need buyers to, come back in, push that price higher, all right? Pound SGD. Hey, Anthony, welcome, all right? Let's take a look at shorts. In Monster Scalper. All right. TRY, JPY shorts. All right. Now remember, guys, we're way in the markdown phase on this. So just, just be careful with this, okay? Right? Any buyers that come in, white can just close it. Don't play with this. Pound yen. All right, sell short signal is here. All right, so again, keep an eye on these. SGD JPY, sell short signal is here. All right, um, um, sell short signal here, holding right here. Pound SGD, HKD JPY, sell short signal is here, holding right here. Again, these are low in the markdown phase, guys. So um, these might not break, right? We were hoping that we might get another move down. Market's been moving for a while, so we could get a bit of a retracement in equities, and that will move Forex. All right, sell short signal is here, right at support here. Euro dollar, all right. Euro ZAR, right? Sell short signal is here, retraced. All right. What we need to see is red candles come back in, sellers come back in. All right. If anyone is in this, what you might want to do, just keep an eye on it closely. All right. If any green candles come in, just close the trade. All right. That's Eurozar. EUR sell short signal is here. That's holding, but again, all right, keep an eye on these. Okay, they can recapture that moving average, and all of a sudden, they're moving again. All right, we don't have any solid directions in Forex right now. Okay, so it could recapture that moving average, and all of a sudden, right, they're moving again. So just keep that in mind. Okay. All right. And watch the smaller time frames. Forex Dominator. No, Forex Dominator has done a much better job holding these trades. So let's take a look here. Understand, guys, with Monster Scalper, your 240, right? We're in ranges. Okay. So between support and resistance. Now they are wide ranges because they're on the 240. So keep an eye on your support and resistance areas. Okay. So Swiss yen buy signal is here. All right. Holding fine. All right. Swiss yen. Aussie yen buy signal is here. That's holding so far. Pound yen. All right. Same thing. Buy signal is here. That's holding. New Zealand yen buy signal is here. That's moving up there. CAD pairs. Aussie CAD. That's holding. Pound CAD, right? That's holding. Let's move this. All right, New Zealand CAD. All right, that's holding here, right? Moving up nicely. TRY, TRY, EUR, TRY. Let's move this. All right, holding here, all green candles. Keep an eye on it. EUR, HKD, that's holding. Euro, dollar, that's holding here. But remember, the dollar is trying to make a move. So the dollar makes a move, right? This might come down. Now look here, right here. So far, it's rejecting resistance right here, right? So here, here, right here, and now it's not holding above resistance. So we'll keep it on here. But if anyone is trading it, just close the trade. Okay, there's a good chance it will come all the way back down to support. It's trading within that range. Okay. All right, that's euro dollar. And again, with the dollar right here, here's the dollar moving higher. If that dollar breaks through that resistance right here, all right, so the dollar index is moving higher. It's up right now, right? It's up right now. So if it breaks through that resistance, recover, right? Breaks through that resistance, recover previous support, guess what? Right? It will start moving higher. So that will affect your trades. All right, your inverse dollar pairs. So this one here will come down. Okay, so anyone is just close it, take the profit, but we'll leave it here for now. All right, but if you're in it, just close it. Let's see here, our forex dominator traders, short positions. And I know Forex has been, Monster Scalper has been challenging, right? But that's why use your smaller time frames, okay? Use your smaller time frames. Short in Forex Dominator. And then we'll take a look at equities, all right? All right, USD MXN. We talked about USD MXN, guys. All right, that we needed it to break support. And remember, we are way down in that markdown phase. We really shouldn't be trading these, but we were hoping that it would continue to move lower, get into new lows, and as the equity markets move higher, that's not happening. USD MXN, right? White candles coming in here. All right, close that trade. We don't want this to happen. Okay, so USD MXN, close that trade. Short in Forex Dominator. All right, so USD MXN, and that's a dollar pair, guys. So we see what the dollar is trying to do. Now, the dollar could come back down, but dollar CAD. All right, so dollar CAD, guys, sell short signal is here. Okay, dollar is moving higher, so just go ahead and close this one here. Okay, close it here. And the reason is you've got some in the middle here. You've got some support areas. So if you guys look right in here, right about here, okay, you've got some right about here. You notice where buyers came in here. You have support here. This whole area here in the middle, that's a concern here. Buyers came in here. Buyers came in here. Even here. Buyers came in here. Right here, buyers came in. There's a good chance that buyers could come in here. So I doubt it will, it could make it all the way down here, especially with the dollar index moving higher now. So a little profit here, just close the trade. All right, dollar CAD, close that trade. All right. And let's close it here. All right, USD CNH. All right, USD CNH. All right, this one is holding so far. Purple support and resistance, all red candles here. Sell short signal is up here. Watch it closely. It is holding support here, right? We need sellers to come back down, break through that support. Again, this is a dollar pair, right? Just keep a close eye on it. right now it's trading between purpose support and resistance. That's good. All right. But we need that price to be hanging down near support. It's hanging near resistance. Keep an eye on it there. Okay. Um, USDN, okay. Close that trade. Sell short signal is here. Look at that. Buyers are coming in. Okay. White candle, right? We could see that price move higher. All right. Again, that's a dollar pair. All right. So, and we'll look at long positions in the dollar. Okay. So USDN, okay. All right. Close that trade in Forex dominator. Okay. EUR CZK. All right. Same thing here. All right. Now, um, the euro, the dollar, never mind. Sell short signal here, big white candle. All right. Um, so we could see buyers come back in, just close the trade here. Don't take any chances on this. EUR NZD. All right. Sell short signal is here. All right. Trading right here. It's finding support right here. All right. Finding support right here. All right. I would say close that trade. Okay. These trades will get away from us really, really quick. Okay. You guys know that. Um, so we don't want this to happen. Buyers to come in. It's holding that support right here, guys. Okay. So we don't want that to happen. All right. Get squeezed. So, all right. EUR NZD. Close that trade. The last one here, EUR SEK. This is doing fine, right? It's broken past support here, so it's not holding that support. So that's this one is fine, right? Trading nicely. All red candles, no support and resistance. It's gotten past it. All right. So this one has a good chance, all right, to get down here. So EUR SEK will hold this one for now. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's take a look at equities. So stock boss first, and then bull master. Now, the equity markets were down, slightly down, not by a lot. Russell was up. So let's see how equities did. Most of these are technology stocks. Now, guys, as we go through these, what we're looking for, I'll bring this down here. So if we've got all green candles and we're in the markup phase, which we should be, nothing to do. White candles, right? Pay attention to them. All right. When we're in a bullish, we're bullish on the equity markets, right? So white candles, you don't have to close it. Okay, just pay attention because a lot of times we'll get follow through. All right, and buyers could come back in, but red candle sell signal close the trade. So we'll go through these. Um, First one here, this is transportation. This one wasn't part of, part of the rotation, all right, like technology. It was just a great setup. So VLRS, all right, good markdown phase, buy signal right here, all right, at 7:30, 8:01, trading nicely here, okay? But we'll go through these quickly, all right? All right. AMSC. All right. That's moving up nicely in the markup phase there. All right. That's technology. All right. ANGI, guys. Look at ANGI. All right. Technology. Good job there. All right. AVPT. That's holding nicely there. BKKT. Look at that. Breaking resistance there. Good trade going there. That's technology stock. CLBT, that's holding nicely at resistance. Look at CLSK, guys. That nice gap up today. Nice gap up. All right. CLVT. All right. Good trade going there. The other one was CLBT. B as in boy. This is CLV as in Victor. T. Okay. Good trade going there. All right. DDD. That's looks good there. Nice markup phase. Nice markdown phase. All right. DH, and this is good. Slightly down on in the markets, and this stocks are moving higher, guys. That's good. All right. DH. All right. Nice markdown phase. Look at that. Nice solid selling. Nice markdown phase. All right. That V is forming there. All right. All right. All right. So we needed to hopefully get back up to this area here. Okay. All right. That's DH. All right. Look at INDI. Right. Looks good there. Let's keep going. All right. IREN. Love to see this, guys. Nice move there. All right. Straight up. All right. Let's see if we can get all the way back up here. All right. Buy signal was at $4.04. Right. Close today at 534. Up here is about $8 there. So good trade going there. ERIREN. Okay. All right. MGNI. Nice trade going there. All right. MTTR. That's good. MVIS. Good setup there. That's trading nicely. NVTS. Right? Good, looks good there. We just need to break through resistance here. Good markdown phase. Right. We just needed to complete that V. All right. All the way up here. So be patient with this. All right, PRCH. Look at that, guys, breaking resistance nicely there. All right, so if it completes that V, all right, and keeps going higher, just stay with it. Okay. All right, SMRT holding nicely. SOUN, that's holding there. UIS, guys, look at that. All right, UIS holding nicely there. Looks like it might push through resistance up there. Look at WISH. Look at that. All right. Good job there. EGHT holding nicely. All right. GDRX. All right. Good trade going there. Look at HNST, guys. Look at that. All right. Nice trade going there. Okay. Let them run. HUYA. Keep an eye on this one here. Now, it did the trend line held. All right. As a matter of fact, we had a big candle today. It pulled back, but hey, it's held that trend line. We just need some green candles, but it's holding, right? It's holding. All right. ILPT. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Nice break here. It's got almost near where it started selling, right? Right. That's your V, right? This is your V here. Look for, all right. Look for really good selling. All right. Anthony and I went to this today. Look for really good selling on your left. Good markdown phase, kind of like this here, too. Right, good markdown phase on your left there, and good chance you'll get it on your right. And then same thing here, good markdown phase on your left, good chance you'll get it again on your right. So ILPT, good job there. Okay. All right, look at these trades, guys. Amazing. All right. MCW, good markdown phase here, right? Buying coming here. All right. So good V forming, right? All right. The target is up here. All right. All right. NDLS. All right. Good setup going there. All right. Look at NEGG, guys. Look at that breaking out. Good trade going there. All right. I am loving these trades, guys. NMRK, right? Breaking out, guys. Broke. Right. Here is your V. And guess what? Broke out, right? Buy signal broke out there. Okay. Good trade going there. Open. Look at that. All right. Good trade going there. All right. OPI, right? New beginning, new breakout there. Uh, QRTE. All right. Good trade going there. Look at TV, guys. Really good markdown phase. All right. Really, really good markdown phase. Nice buy signal. All right. It's moving up nicely. Nice, solid green candles. All right. FATE. All right. That's holding. BBD. All right. A bit of a pullback. All right. We needed to get to that resistance and then see how it behaves. Okay. All right. STKL. Right. Trading nicely. Really nice markdown phase. That's what we want. And we want to move that price back up. So good job there. STKL. Right. Same thing. GPRO. Right. Same thing there. SPCE, guys, that gap down today with a white candle. Let's take a look at the weekly. All right, so sellers are still in charge here on the weekly, so we'll close this here. Okay. Before it gets away from us, support is right here, so it's right at support, but it gapped down. That's not good. All right, buy signal right here, so close the trade. SPCE. Close the trade. SPC. And I'll close it here also. All right. Just a few more in Stock Boss. Did we say GPRO? Okay. All right. AMBP. Look at that, guys. It completed the V. All right. So, all right. Completed the V. Breaking resistance. Just let it run. All right. If anyone is in it, let it run. AMBP. All right. DNN and BND. All right. BND. Good trade here. So only one to remove, guys. So not bad. All right. Not bad. Especially for a slightly down day in equities today. Okay. Now, Bull Master. All right. Riot, RIOT. All right. All right. We needed buy signal here, guys. Gapped up today. Nice gap up today. All right. We needed to get to this area here at least. Okay. All right. MARA. Look at that guy. Ooh, nice gap up. Right. Moving up nicely. Let's bring in our resistance right here. All right. Right. All right. BYON, not a good trade, guys. All right, nice markdown phase, buy signal, moving up nicely here. All right, S, breaking resistance here. They're buying tech. KTOS, buy signal is here, moving up nicely. Oh my goodness. ULTA, guys, buy signal here, gapped up. Look at that gap up. Right, that gap up on Friday. All right, and all right, not even it's not even trying to right close that gap, just breaking highs. And the target is all the way up here. All right, okay. ULTA. All right, KRC buy signal is here, moving up nicely. It certainly looks like it want to pass this area there. All right, that's KRC. Snow, look at Snow getting near that resistance. All right, if anyone is in, just keep an eye on how it reacts to this resistance here. All right, good trade there. Snap. All right, Snap broke through, guys. Look at Snap. Look at Snap. All right, and a lot of good potential on Snap. All right, buy signal here, all the way down here, trading up nicely. Lots of great trades. CRUS right here, trading nicely there. All right, SWI. Look at that trade going, guys. All right, BRZE. All right, great trade going there. Don't chase these if you're not in them. Don't chase them. GRCRDO looking to break through another level of resistance. Okay. ETSY, good trade going there. WCC, good trade, right? Looking to get to up this area here. GoDaddy, look at GoDaddy, guys. GDD, all right, good move, guys, good move. All right. DOCN, right? Nice setup. You guys should see the patterns here, right? What we look for, right? TSEM. All right, TSEM, good setup there, good trade going. DV, nice there. Let's see if we can make it up to that resistance, that yellow line there. All right, AMBA, see how easier it is when we've got the market in our favor. AMBA, that's holding there. 5 FVRR, that's holding a new recent buy signal. SDGR, that's holding there. All right, GPS, look at GPS, guy, broke through that resistance. All right, gapped up, just keeps going there. All right, that buy signal was around, what's that, $11, $12, trading at 20.84, close today. Good job there. EYE, that's still holding. PLAB, that's holding green candles. CAMT, have a white candle here. Let's take a quick look at the weekly. All right, weekly is holding, right? Just a bit of a pullback, little pullback there. And so that's fine there for now. All right. MRVL, gap down, red candles, guys, close the trade. Nothing we can do there. It gap down, red candles, just close it. Get out of it, right? It's hard for this to it could recover, but hey, there are other trades. So MRVL, close the trade. And I'll close it here. And that's in Bullmaster. What is that? MRVL. All right here also. Okay. And that's tech. All right. VRNT. That's holding nicely. Good markdown phase there. AI holding. HUBS, that's holding there. SYM, that's holding. AMD, all right, a bit of a pullback, purple support and resistance. Keep an eye on it, but holding so far. QRTEP, white candle here. We do have resistance here. Support is about here. Let's take a look at the weekly. Now, guys, use this process when you're looking for. It could be any of the other markets. Weekly. Oh. All right. It's still holding here, all right? So you have a bit of consolidation in here, right here on the weekly. All right. But this could happen here, right? Sellers come back in. Let's see. All right. You might have pretty good support right here. Let's take a look. Let's go back to the daily. All right. Okay. So for right now, we've got to get past resistance here. Okay. The good news, we've got a white candle, but guess what? It closed higher, right? It closed near the top, didn't close at the bottom. So could see buyers come in tomorrow, especially if the market is up. Okay. All right. So keep an eye on it though. QRTEP. And then PI looks good there. Still holding a decent markdown phase, buy signal. All right, so we needed to get to this area up here. All right, so that's the target up here. Now, if it doesn't get up there, no big deal. Okay. All right, no guarantee that we get all the way up here. All right, same thing. IAS, buy signal is here, moving up nicely. All right, nice markdown phase there. All right, that's good, holding there. All right, PLTR. Okay, so that's big white candle there. Let's take a quick look at the weekly time frame. All right, weekly still looks okay. Monthly, all right, monthly looks okay. That's technology there. All right, I would say for now, right, hold it, right. We might want to move this up to here. All right, let's see if it can get back up. Okay. Tomorrow will be important to see if buyers could come back in. Okay. PLTR. All right. Now we're going to take take a look at some opportunities. We'll run it to see. Stock boss. All right. Oh, we got quite a bit. Okay. So 127 guys. All right. So let's see if we can find some. We'll stick with technology. A lot of healthcare coming in. Services. All right. We'll stick with technology. All right. QSI. And that's technology in stock boss. Okay. QSI. We'll try to go through this quickly. All right. QS. Let's just. All right. So QS also in stock boss. Okay. QS tech in stock boss. That's the sector. Nothing here. No buy signal. That's gone. We're in that one. No buy signal there. All right. OUS. All right. Let's add this one. OUST tech stock boss. All right. WULF. We've traded this one before. All right. WULF tech in stock boss. Okay. MVIS. I think we're in this one. Yep. All right. That's gone. INDI. We're in that one. No buy signal there. DH. We're in DH. DDD. We're in that one. Horrible chart. We're in that one. No buy signal. That's gone. AUR. All right. AUR tech in stock box. Okay. Got nice markdown phase, accumulation, buy signal right here. Look at the previous buy there, guys. Okay. ANGI. All right. ANGI, that's gone. We're in that. Oh, yes, we're in ANGI. All right. So many of these. We're in Wish. We're in this one. That's gone. VL, we're in that one. And that's it. Okay. What time is it? Communication services, so ComServe. Oh, look at this. ComServe, LUMN. All right. LUMN. LUMN. And that's ComServe, Communication Services. Stock Boss. Okay. That's gone. That's gone. All right. IHRT. I'm sorry, this not Stock Boss, guys. Bullmaster. IHRT, ComServe, Bullmaster. All right, HPP. HPP. All right. ComServe, Bullmaster. Okay. All right, not a good chart there. That's gone. All right, GRWG. GRWG. ComServe, Bullmaster. Okay. Open, I believe we're in open. I thought we were open, open, open. All right. What am I doing? Hold on. Oh, yeah. Open, yes. Okay, so open, OPEN. OPEN. I thought we were in open. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry. We're in open already. What am I doing? We're in open. Okay. OPI, OPI, OPI. We're in OPI. Nothing here. This looks choppy there. Yeah. We're almost done. We'll save Bullmaster. All right, TV, we're in TV. We're in this one. Big, B-I-G, B-I-G. All right. Real, R-E-A-L, nothing here. Redfin, R-E-D-F-N, good markdown phase, guys. Buy signal right here. So RDFN, and that's ComServe. Stock Boss, okay. BDN, BDN. ComServe, Stock Boss. buy signal on this one. This is close enough. Okay, so AVI, AV, AIV, stock boss, AIV. All right, good markdown phase, guys. All right, resistance is all the way up here. All right. The only concern buy signal is here. Came in here. It's right up here. Buy signal came in at right around 690, trading at 725. So still a lot of room. Okay. Um, let's see. ANN, the last one here. ANN, we just need a buy signal here. Okay. Now, so that's it. Tomorrow we'll go over Bullmaster. I want to just spend the last few minutes, 5 minutes or so, um, in Monster Scalper. All right, we have some long opportunities here. All right, in the dollar pairs. Okay, so this is for Monster Scalper dollar positions. All right, so let's go through these quickly. See, it's all blue here, so we've got some buying coming in the dollar. We'll go through this quickly and we'll be done. All right, so let's see here. Dollar's pulling back, so we might have to wait. All right. So guys, this is what we're looking at here. Okay, the dollar's making a move. We've got some buy signals. Okay, but it's pulling back, so we need to make sure that that it holds above this resistance here. All right. So we know the dollar index is trying to make a move higher, but we still have red candles. So I was hoping. So see right here, it's up, but we still have. If the dollar breaks to this resistance, gives us a big white candle, then these dollar pairs in Monster Scalper will look better. So just wait, be patient on those. Okay. All right, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay. Equity markets, keep an eye on those. Those tech stock positions are looking really, really good. All right, guys. Take care. Have a good evening. Thanks for coming. Take care. Bye bye.